As Mark Twain said, kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Kindness often requires courage and strength. We all have heard about the survival of the fittest. But what exactly does that mean? It is usually associated with selfishness, means to look out for yourself. Science has shown that devoting oneself and one's resources to others, rather than having more and more for yourself, brings about lasting happiness. Kindness has been found by researchers to be the most important reason for satisfaction and stability in marriage. It is important to be kind because it makes you feel good about yourself. Doing things for other people, helping them with their chores or work, makes you feel warm, that you accomplished something. Kindness is a give and get thing, a bit like respect. Doing acts of kindness is one of the best activities you can do with your kids. It's a great way to bond as a family, a lot of fun, and teaches kids about compassion and service. Any act of kindness, no matter how big or small, can make a difference, especially when done intentionally. Kindness can be practiced in different ways. One way to be kind is to open your inner and outer eyes. Do you notice when people could use a helping hand? Opening your eyes means noticing when others are suffering, like holding the door open for someone, telling a joke, feeding the birds, complimenting a friend, writing a thank you note for your mail carrier, or even smiling at a person, are some basic acts of kindness. Kindness is the willingness to celebrate someone else's success wholeheartedly. Being kind is not the same as being nice. Kindness is based on your own ethics and your own beliefs, whereas niceness is based on how other people see you. For example, a friend of yours asks you to lend him some money to spend it on alcohol or drugs. It is kinder to refuse to lend him money, and you should look for other ways to support him, like helping him to know the side effects of excessive drinking or helping him by explaining practical ways of overcoming the unhealthy habits. It might be nicer in short term to lend him money, but that is not helping him in long term. True kindness can be tough. But even when you say no to others, it can be done from a place of love and compassion. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. So, what are the ways to practice kindness? 1. Be kind to yourself. Many people try to be kinder to others, while they forget to focus on being kind to themselves. It is because of the inability to know yourself better. Self-knowledge allows you to see what causes you pain and conflict, and enables you to embrace your contradictions and inconsistencies. Asking questions like, what it means to be kinder to yourself, can open the gateway to be kind to yourself. For many people, being kinder to themselves includes monitoring the chatter in your thoughts, and stopping your negative thinking. 2. For the sake of your health. Thinking positively can improve happiness and psychological health, and guess what? Kindness is a positive mental state. Giving kindness returns a sense of well-being and connection to us, that improves our own mental state and health. 3. Be kind to everyone, not just people in need. Being kind to everyone is a feat everyone should achieve. For that, you should expand your circle of kindness. It is possible to show kindness to your relatives and friends. But showing kindness to strangers can develop a more positive mental state. Ultimately, kindness is deep caring for all beings. 4. Make kindness a habit. Do one kind thing for someone every day. Use kindness as your strength. Build up your small acts of kindness into larger acts of compassion. Meditate to help spread kindness. You'll be aware of profound changes in your life, you'll feel better about yourself as a person, and you'll find that people react to you differently, including treating you better. 5. Feel good about it. If you have a tougher time showing kindness, try, and remember, to feel good about showing this side of you. When you feel good, the act will come more regularly, and spread more positivity within you. 6. Expect nothing in return. Kindness is not about self-interested politeness or calculated generosity. The greatest kindness expects nothing, comes with no strings attached. Finally, being a people pleaser is not kindness, because you believe that this will manipulate them into giving you what you want in life. As Henry James said, 3 things in human life are important. The first is to be kind. The second is to be kind. And the third is to be kind. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more videos on self-improvement, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.